Kublai pi baru kini kilong ki kubor bam ta kasngi. Umenturang ba ka jala Conrad ka sangma ula play ka solar photo voltaic PV plan ba Sanpho KW St.Mary's High Secondary School Shillong kabla pantray lingba ka Chief Minister Solar's Mission. Kani ka project ba siyongdor kung ba Sanpho lak tingka kabla pantray da ka Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency MNREDA kan pinmi boarding ka bakhot bat yarap ika school ban pindunay ka jingnut boarding. Lakmi lanti bakan pelang hadu 2,000 unit ka boarding manla ubnay bat pindunay jingnut hadu 10,000 shibnay ne jan san lak tingka shisnem. Habakran ha ka jingyalang u Conrad loong baka boarding bom lut shu ka ka jingdon kam jung ka por ban yakun ya ka jingkala ka sun beneng bat ban pentikna ya ka roy ka par ka bane. Ula pentip ru bahapo ka CM Solar Mission ada pendat hadu 1.5 MW ka boarding solar hakumba news pa Tylli ka school ha Meghalaya bat sa siya jalai pa Tylli ka school kan sayo no shen. Menteri ba ula pennaru baka sorkar kan pelong shen state level technology and innovation competition ban pensluri ke samla baki start ban wanra ki but thamai ha ki benta kum ka boarding ka jing sam ka kot ka kya bat ka rep karyang. Bar ka sorkar kan krishan pisai ki project ki babyang tam hakni ka program la idon langru Dr. Joram Beda, Commissioner and Secretary ka Power Department ka SR Sonia Chapko, Principal ka St. Mary's High Secondary School bat kiwe.
It's an honor and privilege that we got the opportunity as a power department to install this 50 kilowatt solar power plant. Now you must have read a lot about renewable energy, so you are seeing firsthand the kind of implementation that we will be doing or we have done. You have heard in the news repeatedly about the West Asia crisis, about the Strait of Hormuz and the cascading effects that is happening on the economy on several nations across the world. And you would realize time and again the emphasis that has been given by the central government and also the state government on renewable energy. As a part of that initiative and emphasis, our Honorable Chief Minister also envisioned that renewable energy is the answer for the future. And for that reason, we are today seeing the light of the day that a 50 kilowatt, one of the largest solar power plants have been installed in St. Mary's. Okay. This is the nerve center. Right. So this is the project for the CM Solar Mission. And this is here right in Shillong in St. Mary's High Secondary School. You can see the batteries out here, the inverter. It's a 50 kilowatt project. And you'll be happy to know that most of the school's power now is coming from here. Almost, you can say almost 90% is coming from here. And we're only using half the capacity. Very soon, we are hopeful that not just the highest secondary school, but also the college will be completely on solar. And this is the kind of project we'd like to see in all institutes so that we promote green energy. And this is one of the larger projects we've done under CM Solar Mission. But like this, about 700 schools have been given units and close to 1.4 megawatts of power has been installed. So it's a great success, and I wish the school, the management the very best, and we'll continue to have more and more schools powered by solar energy. Thank you so much.
Show you now what I'm really
just see around. Oh, okay. So both.
Just give my camera. Andrew. Video, okay? Okay. 1, 2. So I'm at St.Mary's Higher Secondary School. With all our students here. We are here to inaugurate the 50 kilowatt solar panel. You guys say hi.